Hello, my name is Kamela. I am from Albania. I've completed in Albania the Master of Science in Physiotherapy, and since 5 years I'm working in United Arab Emirates. I've been working mainly in neurological and orthopedic departments, but since last year I had an interest to study about the pelvic floor physiotherapy. I have taken a couple of courses, but none of them reached the point to help me and to make me confident to apply the techniques to the patients. Recently, by doing a lot of research to find the best course for me, I found the IIPRE. I was skeptic in the beginning because I didn't have any information about it. But I decided to give it a go, and I am very happy that I took this decision because the workshop really enlightened me, and I learned many things, and I cannot wait till I put them in practice and get success with the patients. I would really like to thank the WOW IPRE for organizing this workshop, and especially Mr. Head, who has been studying these cases. This will help me, will help all the people who were in the workshop with me, and this way it will help all the society.